What's up guys, this is Zach here at Uptown Barbers, and today I'm going to walk you through how I use Layrite Original Pomade. This is Layrite Original Pomade. The Original Pomade works best with fine to medium thick hair. In terms of length, I would suggest if you have short to medium length hair, it'll work best for you. And then this is like the traditional original pomade for those clean classic styles. For this product, I recommend using about a dime size worth of product, and if you need to apply more later, then you can apply more. Emulsify it in your hands and your palms and rake through the hair. Once you've raked through the hair, I would refine with a comb just to get these clean comb lines and give it that old traditional side part pompadour style. With our model here, I emulsified the product in my hands and I raked it through his hair. To get this traditional style pompadour, I fine-tuned it with a comb by finding a nice parting and splitting the hair evenly and distributed it evenly. Why I like this product too is that it can add volume to the hair without having to add a blow dryer to it, and it's going to give him that all-day hold and keep that structured look. The original pomade works with so many different styles, but if you lean into the more traditional styles such as pompadours, slickbacks, this product is going to be so good for you. It's going to be the one that's going to keep your hair structured for an all-day hold, all-day look, nice shine to it. It's not going to be overly shiny, and it's easy to remold with a little bit of water because it is water soluble. And at the end of the day, when you go to wash your hair, it comes out easy and there's no residue that's left in the hair. It's your all-around go-to product. A nice little barber tip for you: if you decide to use the original pomade, you can pair it with our grooming spray, which will add structure to the hair, added hold, but you would apply the grooming spray first and then you would apply the original pomade on top.
That was my first time using Layrite Original Pomade, and Zach just styled my hair like this. Another couple things that I love about this pomade is that I know that it'll hold all day, and it's super easy to rinse out at the end of the day with water. I've never had my hair done like this, but honestly, kind of digging it. Like, it's solid, feels good, looks slick, super clean. I'm stoked.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. This is how we use the original pomade here at Uptown Barbers. If you're interested in picking some up, check out layrite.com.